In today's video, we're going to find out what is going to be the next move in the overall crypto market, because yes, we saw this major pump for PEPE, which is up 45%, and we opened this long position exactly here within my signal group, and we are in some major profits at the moment. But guys, overall, we're going to find out what we could expect on the 4-hour chart of Bitcoin, because yes, we are forming this perfect symmetrical triangle, and we are seeing this breakout exactly here. So are we going to reach our next price target, which is all the way up here at the 66,500 US dollar level, or could we expect that we're going to see a consolidation or even a dump? We're going to find out exactly that, but we're also going to look at some altcoins that you should buy exactly now. And if you want to trade all of these moves, guys, go down in the video description below where you can sign up to Bybit, where you can buy all of these cryptocurrencies and trade them with a leverage and receive a major deposit bonus. And if you don't like any KYC, make sure to sign up to Maxi, which has also the lowest fees and highest profits. Or you can trade all of these moves on FOREX, where you receive a major deposit bonus. So guys, yes, make use of this free money, and all the links will be in the video description below. So let's go directly over to the charts, because yes, on the weekly chart of Bitcoin, we are seeing that Bitcoin is coming all the way up to the previous highs. Yes, if we're going to zoom in on the weekly chart, we can see that the candle bodies of the weekly chart closed in the previous bull market exactly where we can see the price movement of Bitcoin. So yes, this gives us an indication that this level is going to be extremely significant, and if we're going to break this level towards the upside, we could expect a fast move towards the upside. But if we're going to see a retracement or even a rejection exactly here, we could expect that we're going to see a 20% correction exactly from these levels, because yes, ultimately if we're going to zoom out, guys, even though we're in the bull market, we could expect this parabolic run exactly after the Bitcoin halving, bringing us all the way up to a new high round about to mid next year, round about the 1st of August exactly here. Guys, we could expect these pullbacks within the bull market of round about 20%, because exactly here we saw this major pump, 20% correction, this major pump, 20% correction, major pump, 20% correction, and so on, guys. So you can see that in each and every bull market, we are seeing these healthy retracements of around about 20%. But should you wait exactly here to get in at a lower price? No, guys, because the price movement of Bitcoin could see this major pump towards the upside and then a 20% correction. So your entry price exactly here and dollar cost averaging into Bitcoin is going to be the best alternative. But yes, we could expect this breakout in the immediate short term, because on the 4-hour chart, we can see that the price movement of Bitcoin is really coiling up. And if we're going to break this trend line towards the upside, because yes, exactly within these levels, you can see that here, exactly here, we have this yellow resistance line, which comes all the way from the weekly chart, where we can see that if we're going to zoom in exactly towards these levels, then this is going to be our next major resistance, exactly where we can see that the price movement is getting some resistance at the moment. This was from this previous high we had in the year 2021. But guys, our next major level is ultimately going to be this major wick exactly here, round about the levels of 65,000 US dollars. So yes, this is going to be our first price target, but ultimately, guys, we could also expect this fast move towards the upside, because yes, our next price target is ultimately going to be the price target from the symmetrical triangle all the way to the target, which is exactly here, the 66,500 US dollars, all the way up here. So ultimately, guys, this could be a fast move towards the upside to the previous highs, and if we're going to break this major horizontal level, we could expect the next move ultimately to the 64,000 US dollars. But ultimately, guys, dollar cost average exactly now, because yes, we're seeing this major push towards the upside, and it looks like that PEPE is going to break its all-time high exactly here. And yes, guys, we opened this trade exactly in these levels where we saw this major pump towards the upside. So let's go over to Bybit, where we can see this trade exactly here. We already took some profits of around about 57 US dollars, but ultimately, guys, we entered the trade exactly here, where the price movement formed this perfect cup and also this handle, and we saw this breakout exactly from this horizontal line and previous resistance. But yes, you can see that our stop loss is exactly here, and we are in some major profits, and our stop loss is well above our entry point. So ultimately, guys, if you want to trade all of these moves, sign up to Bybit exactly now, because yes, we're going to get this major push towards the upside, and use the extremely early, because we're going to see this parabolic run after the Bitcoin halving. So dollar cost average exactly here. And if you want to trade all of these moves, guys, make use of this free money and sign up with the links in the video description below. But yes, if you always want to stay up to date, guys, make sure to be my free Telegram group, where I post a lot of information and also some free trades exactly here. So if you always want to stay up to date, guys, this is the place to be. Go down in the video description below. But ultimately, guys, you need to be for crypto, because this is going to be the biggest wealth transfer in history, and you don't want to sit on your hands. So act now and sign up to these exchanges to buy crypto on the spot market and dollar cost average into these major altcoins that are ultimately going to see a major push towards the upside. And make sure to be for crypto, and we see each other in the next video.